What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for the continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Polygon on the hourly time frame here. As we can see, for most cryptocurrencies, we have had a really good bounce in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin itself seems to be leading the bounce, and a lot of cryptocurrencies are pumping quite well. As we can see here, Polygon actually dipped as low as around 72, 73 cents here, but it is actually up around over 111% in the past 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. It's actually at around, at the time of recording this video, around priced at around 150, which is an incredible pump considering how much it has been dumping recently. We do think there is a massive demand for Polygon, and there has been a really nice surge for it to the upside. As we can quite clearly see, we have been in a descending falling wedge for some time here, but like with other cryptos, we have seen a very strong confirmed breakout to the upside here, which is very bullish. As we can see, we don't expect Polygon to be going down any further from here. There was a large amount of support and structure in these areas. If I can just get rid of these dots that I seem to be drawing. In these areas here, as we can see, a large amount of support at around the 75 cent range. And as you can see, this actually lines up with the previous swing low here, as we can see quite clearly. We haven't actually got caught up in this area here, and we have actually moved into this next area. As we can see quite clearly, these swing lows and swing highs. Oh my goodness. These swing lows and swing highs. We haven't got caught up in this zone here, anywhere below $1. We have actually pumped all the way up to $1.50 again. It seems as though right now we do seem to be hitting our head against the resistance here at around 150. So we could come back down and see us retest some of these EMAs as support before moving up again. But we do think that there is a really good pump for all cryptocurrencies right now, and Polygon seems to be taking full advantage. As we can quite clearly see, basically ever since the dumping had began, we've been stuck under the 50 EMA. If I just make this a bit larger so everyone can see exactly what's going on. We actually did see this huge dump to the downside. We got a nice double bottom here, and we thought that Polygon was performing exceptionally well, but it did start to sell off, and it started to lose. All the EMAs here, as we can see. Once we broke through these EMAs, and we actually got the cross here, as you can see, of the 20 and the 50 EMA, as well as the 34. And then once the red EMA, which is the 50, got on top, it's been very difficult for Polygon to maintain any price action, as we can see. It's been bouncing off the 20, my goodness, my mouse today. It's been bouncing off the 20 EMA all the way down, basically trying to break resistance, but it couldn't. It's actually had a large sell-off here, back to the bottom of this trend line that we've drawn. Let me just make this a bit more accurate. All my trend lines today are all messed up for some reason. So as you can see, we came back down, pretty much tested the bottom of this channel, of this descending wedge that we've outlined. We came back up, we had quite a decent pump, and we actually almost broke the 50, as we can see here, but we did get rejected, back down under the 20, then bouncing off. We broke the 20 here, but we hit the 34, came back down again. We've been bouncing off the 20, coming down, continuing to the downside, came all the way down to this 75, 74 cent strong historical support and resistance level here, as you can quite clearly see. And then since then, oh God, I'm messing up everything today. What is going on with my trend lines? Let's just leave it there. Okay. So we came down all the way down to this 75 cent resistance, as we can see here. And then we actually did get quite a strong bounce. And as we can see, we pumped, along with Bitcoin, all the way up through all of our EMAs here, which is really positive, as we can see. And then we were looking essentially for the break through the downwards trend line that we have been outlining for some time here. So as we can quite clearly see, we've got the very nice pump across the market. And what we were looking for here is basically for the EMAs to be broken. And then once we saw that very nice pump, we broke through all the EMAs here. And then we saw also some resistance, people like struggling with this, basically the top of this trend, this falling wedge that we've outlined. But then we got the break of the falling wedge, and obviously since then we've had a very nice pump to the upside. The wedge was at around 112 here, 112, and then we've ran all the way to 150. So this is a very, very nice gain. Congratulations to anyone who bought this. They would have made a very, very nice little trade here. But the main thing that we're looking at now is that we've seen this cross to the bullish side again for the EMAs here. As we can see, all the EMAs have flipped. We're back above all the EMAs with the red on the bottom rather than on the top. As you can quite clearly see on the way down. Oh my God, I just deleted the EMAs. Everything's going so badly today. There we go. So as you can see on the way down, the 50 EMAs on the top, which means that we're looking very bearish, and we're below the EMAs and we can't break them, can't break them. Then we've actually broke through all of them in one foul swoop and out of the trend. Very, very good signs of a bullish reversal, as well as bouncing off this historical resistance, as we can see. And now we've actually come well above all the EMAs and flipped them all back to their bullish positions with the 50 on the bottom and the 20 on the top. So as we can see, the last time that this happened, let's find a good example of when the last time this happened was. So as you can see, this is the last time. If we look here, this is the cross where everything happened. As you can see, we did actually see some bearish price action here, with the red on top, red on top, red on top. And then a second that we got that cross, boom, to the upside, as you can see there. If we just show one more example of this, because this is a very, very bullish indicator. As you can see here, we had a nice pump, then we went bearish, we flipped, we've had bearish, we've been struggling to get above the ear 20, 20, 20 here, which you got above the 20 and the 34 up to the 50 here, basically ranging, trying to break it. Then we got this cross here, and then boom, to the upside. So as you can see, this is a very, very strong indicator that there is the signs of a reversal about to happen. And we have actually got this on the hourly now. So this is a very good sign that we are going to see some bullish price action. And as we can quite clearly see, we have actually seen some very, very good bullish price action to the upside once we broke through this area here. We've got this crossing over of the EMAs, as we can see. And now we're basically moving to the upside. We're currently bouncing off this 150 area as it seems as though it's forming a resistance. But what's most likely to happen is we could come back down and test some of these areas of support, maybe this 130, or come back down, bounce off the 20 EMA or the 34. And then if we can break that 150, we do think that Polygon is going to look very bullish, especially in the short term. Obviously long term, we do think Polygon can easily be $10 plus by the end of the bull run. We'd like to reiterate that we don't think the bull run is over whatsoever, and this was just a huge market manipulation / shakeout. But as we can see, we're getting a very nice bounce for most cryptos now, and we're feeling very, very bullish. So now that we've seen this reversal, we are confident that we are going to see some more upwards price action for most cryptos in the next few weeks. So that's our update for Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit after you signed up as well. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.